Hey traders, this is Jeff from zentrader.ca. Let's get to the after the carnage market update. Hopefully none of you guys were long going into today. I've been warning that the market is in sell mode back since early November. Unless you wanted to do some short-term day trading to the upside, you could do that, but it's the same story. The RSI on this 60-minute chart was really telling a story. When it can't get into the overbought area, it's a sign of weakness. When you can't make a new high, like here, that's a sign of weakness. 4 times it tried, and 4 times it failed, and it just, it formed this giant bearish wedge. I mean, you could do a big one here, you could do a smaller one here, and yes, we kept trying to break above this little trend line here, but it never could do so with conviction. And then today's gap down below this really shows you that the market wants to go down. Now, I wouldn't say that the market is 100% going to go down. It's time to mortgage the house. There are, we are still in a volatile market, and I did bank a lot of profits today. I was talking on Twitter about how I was really, these last couple of days were not fun to sit through, but I bought VXX to close yesterday. I bought an option on TLT, and I was very heavy short SPYs, diamonds, and Qs. Well, let me rephrase that. Very heavy short spiders, and then I had medium positions in the spiders and Qs, which I got in here, which I essentially broke even on those. But today was a really nice payoff. Really one of my best weeks since July, and as I said, I did bank a lot of profit because volatility is going to continue to be the game. The VIX, I believe it is 14% above its 10-day moving average. Generally, when it's that far above its 10-day moving average, there'll be some snapback. I'll be looking to add to the remaining QQQ position that I do have, and as I said, I'm short that, so I'll probably be looking to sell some puts against that tomorrow. So with that said, what do we do now? I think you just kind of wait. I want to show you a chart here. Just NASDAQ, I like to use the NASDAQ as market timing for my own personal reasons, but take a look at the ADX. It's really low, and it's taken a while to get that. And generally when this happens, it means that a big move is coming either way. Now, I'm bearish, so I would expect that to be in a downward direction. Now, it doesn't have to be. You can see the positive DI, negative DIs are really entwined, and when they do that, they're getting more entwined. Here they were crossing every week, or maybe every 2 weeks. Here it's getting to be, they're crossing a little bit more. But what this means is indecision, and there's no real, direction. So I find it interesting that this push down didn't really bring this ADX up. Maybe we have a big down day tomorrow, and the negative DI goes up. Kind of clears out of this consolidation area, and the ADX starts to turn up. That would be a sign that we are going to really have a significant move to the downside. So I would watch that, and I would, the time frame, the market has made it so our time frames have to be very short from here on out, at least until the markets start to do some sort of better trending. So with that said, hopefully you were either short or on the sidelines with a fairly red day on the markets, and I'll have more updates either tomorrow or possibly later tonight, guys. Take care.